hour in. Stevenson 55 to the Tri-State, it's an hour 8 to 3:55. Your inbound ride at 35 minutes. Dan Ryan 42
That's
out.
Illinois required mother test day. Let's see it.
On the Bishop Ford or DuSable Lakeshore Drive. Pretty typical backups on both. Tri-State Tollway southbound heavy before Gulf to pass Dempster. Crash off on the shoulder. Traffic sponsored by Great Clips. Bring it to the air. Time to update your hair.
The following is a test of the emergency alert system.
This station is participating in a test of the Illinois Emergency Alert System. The system was developed to provide information to the public during emergencies. This was a test.
This is a coordinated method test of the broadcast stations in your area. Equipment that could quickly warn you during an emergency is being tested. If this has been an actual emergency, such as a severe thunderstorm and tornado warnings, official messages will have followed the alert tone. This station serves the WBBM Illinois Chicago metro area. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
She had been shot. The investigation over the next few weeks led police to Tejas.
Will then fall below flood stage tomorrow evening. Flood stage is 10.5 feet. http://www.weather.gov/safety/. The proceeding was a test of the National Weather Service warning alarm tone during potentially dangerous weather situations. Specially equipped receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers by this system are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is the threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed until the next available good weather day. The warning alarm, transmitted over National Weather Service radio stations in north central and northeast Illinois, will be activated for watches and or warnings affecting all counties in north central and northeast Illinois, as well as counties in far northwest Indiana. Reception of this broadcast and the alarm tone will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at a distance from a given transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. This concludes the tone alarm test. We will now return to our regular program. Under mostly sunny skies. Here is your forecast for Valparaiso and surrounding communities. For tonight, clear. Lows in the lower 30s. West winds around 5 miles per hour.